Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Today I'm going to be changing out the florals in this window frame and flower box. So I have this window frame made for me out of scrap wood. I actually have another one on the front porch, and it is one of my most favorite things to decorate. We're going to make a third one, and I'll make sure to document the whole build and the measurements just in case anybody wants one. So I'm using my heat gun to get rid of the wrinkles and to fluff up some of these flowers. It's totally worth doing it. I would not skip this. I started with this peachy white color palette. It was really pretty, but it kind of disappeared when I put it on the wall, and I felt like I could do better. I need to fill in some of this space. Normally, I'd start with greenery, but I'm out. But what I do have is a bunch of Dollar Tree alstroemeria and lilies, and that's going to work just fine. Now I'm adding in some color. It was looking just a little bit too neutral, too even, just too tame. So I'm going to go for more of like this wildflowers in the field look, maybe even a little bohemian. I'm going to mix in a bit of everything. So if I've cut a flower off of a pick for another craft and I didn't use it, it's going in here. Okay, so we're adding in some lilies, and then I'll put some hyacinth in there for some height. All of this came from the Dollar Tree. Let's add another layer and shift the look a bit. I want some more red and pink, I think. So normally when I build these arrangements, I do it in layers. I'll put the greenery first, then the big blooms, and then the fillers to close in the gap. So that might not be the most proper way to do it, but it has always worked for me. Yes, I am really liking this. That red is really bold, and the pink still looks like spring. So it's a good mix up. So my house is all white, pillows, walls, curtains, all of it. And that makes the perfect backdrop for me to put some color out every season. This summer I'm going all in. I want cottagey overflowing flowers everywhere. Now I'll probably play with this for a couple days until it feels right, but overall I think it turned out really pretty. Here are some of the other ways that I've done it in the past. If you enjoyed my video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out the full playlist of budget-friendly home decor projects. As always, I'll see you in the next one.